Good day, everyone. I am Lordy Mendoza, and I will be joined by Althea Canlas to present our paper entitled Effectiveness of Sunflower as Alternative and Prospective Medicinal Treatment to Various Diseases and Ailments, a review on biochemical constituents and properties. To start, let me discuss to you the significance and objectives of our study. According to the report conducted by Pulse Asia last 2019, 99% of the Filipinos do not buy all their prescription medicines due to its high price, while 23% states that it is because the medicines are inaccessible. With the numerous remarkable effects of the biological compounds that the sunflowers possess, this research paper aims to review the phytochemical properties of secondary metabolites in sunflowers as an alternative and prospective medicinal treatment for various diseases and ailments. Aside from that, we also want to highlight the anti-diabetic effect of the properties of sunflowers, as it is regularly reported in the literature and as support in finding new drugs for the treatment of diabetes. To discuss the background information of the species, let me call Althea Canlas.
The sunflower plant belongs to the aster family that has roughly 70 species. Its stem is characterized by having tiny hair-like structures. The stem can grow 1 meter up to 4.5 meters or 3 to 15 feet high. The leaves are broad and coarsely toothed, 7.5 to 30 centimeter long that are arranged in spirals. The flowers are usually used for ornamental purposes. These flowers are usually 7.5 to 30 centimeter wide for wild species, while it can also be 30 centimeter or more for cultivated types. Oilseed varieties of sunflowers have small black achenes, while confection varieties are distinguished by having larger black and white achenes. You can easily distinguish these two by looking at the edges of the sunflower seeds. Before we move on to the chemical properties and constituents of sunflowers, I have a little trivia. Did you know that not all sunflowers are yellow? Yes, you heard it right. They can also be red and purple. For the chemical constituents of sunflowers, you can actually find phytochemicals in different parts of the plant. For seeds, you can find flavonoids, phenolic acids, tannins, alkaloids, saponins, and steroids, while the aerial part of the plants has terpenes. So, terpenes are compounds known as essential oils that can be extracted from plants for pharmaceutical, cosmetic, and food uses. Another chemical is what we call flavonoids. They depict various biological properties including antibacterial, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic, and antithrombotic and vasodilatory properties. Also, we have phenolic acids. Phenolic acids work as an indicator for high antioxidant potential of sunflower seed polyphenols for the food and for the treatment and prevention of various diseases in the body.
Next, alkaloids in plants have been the subject of several types of research, such as in medicine. The alkaloids in the sunflower seed extract possessed hypoglycemic potentials. Moreover, the sulfurols have also been well studied in sunflower seeds as antioxidants. They may also protect against cardiovascular diseases and may also be associated with reducing the risk of cancer. Lastly, for saponins and steroids, saponins are steroid or triterpenoid glycosides that are common in numerous plants and plant products that are important in human and animal nutrition. These are said to be found in the seeds of sunflowers, though there is a lack of quantitative data. Several biological effects are attributed to saponins, such as analgesic, anti-nociceptive, and antioxidant activity, which cause the weak digestion of protein, hypoglycemic effect due to the restoration of insulin, and antifungal and antiviral effects. Now, for the traditional medicinal uses of sunflower, here is Althea.
Moving on to the medicinal uses of sunflowers, we'll first discuss the traditional one. So, medicinal uses for the sunflowers utilized by the Europeans include use as a remedy for pulmonary infections. Preparation of the seeds has been widely used for cold and coughs. In the Caucasus region, the seeds have served as a substitute for quinine in the treatment of malaria, and sunflower seeds are used as a diuretic and expectorant. Sunflower pith has been used by the Portuguese in making moksha, which was used in the cauterization of wounds and infections. An infusion from the flowers has been used to kill flies. As we all know, sunflower originated from North America, where American Indians reside. So Indians use various parts of the flowers to alleviate fatigue and rheumatism, cure snake bites, for ointments for swelling and sores, prevent prenatal infections and injury from horse falling, and even decoction for high fevers.
As Yuan stated last 2016, through modern medicine, we are able to comprehend active compounds in traditional medicine. Thus, traditional and modern medicine were always associated together. Through contemporary medicine, Saini and Sharma were able to test the anti-diabetic activity of ethanolic extracts of sunflower seeds in exact doses in normal glucose-loaded hyperglycemic and streptozotocin-induced diabetic rats. The alcoholic extracts were administered orally at 2 dosages of 250 mg per kilograms and 500 mg per kilograms. Through the conduction of an oral glucose tolerance test in diabetic rats, researchers found that the polyphenols cause a reduction in blood glucose level, and the chlorogenic acid in sunflower seeds contain an anti-diabetic effect. Out of the various investigations regarding the anti-diabetic effect of plants on diabetic patients, only a few tested drugs of plant origin were successful and made it to the market. Up to this day, with modern medicine, there are still ongoing studies regarding new drugs as treatment for diabetes.
After carefully studying various scholarly articles, we have come to the conclusion that the sunflower plant is grown worldwide, commonly used as ornamentals, or may even be extracted for medicinal benefits. This bright-colored genus is a good source of vitamins and minerals such as alkaloids, carbohydrates, phenolic compounds, allelochemicals, saponin, tannins, terpenoids, steroids, flavonoids, calcium, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, selenium, zinc, phytosterols, niacin, and vitamins A, B, C, and E. Sometimes brown, yellow, or purple, these flowers are useful in agriculture, food, and even medicine. Despite its tremendous popularity and versatility, it remains understudied, with numerous unexplored health advantages. However, the researchers have found that sunflowers contain helpful biochemical properties that can be utilized to treat and prevent certain diseases and ailments. And that ends our presentation today about the effectiveness of sunflowers as alternative and prospective medicinal treatment to various diseases and ailments. Thank you, everyone.